All right, let's get back at it. So hopefully this isn't too hard. Shouldn't be too bad. I think I've got it kind of figured out now. So, what I want to do is kind of split this up a little bit. Read file. Oops. I guess I can kind of keep everything contained. It's less read file, huh? It's more like convert JS to text. Then need a file name. Okay. You're supposed to do this, right? Okay. So how to command line args? Like, we have a whole system for that at my job, but I don't want a whole system. I just need some input. And I could just pull for input, but I just type Python. Command line args. argv. And it gives you like an array. That's cool. Okay. Nice. Uh-oh. We'll just do, I am thinking too much about like user input here instead of like actually doing something, which is silly. But I guess what I'm thinking about is like the order in which the user would actually pass in these arguments. I know we have like a whole... Wow, God, what system is that? I forget what package that is. Like, I want it with like options, you know, like JS. And like file names and stuff, you know, with option. Arguments. Oh, argparse. Yeah. Let's use argparse. Yeah. What am I doing? Parser setup. Net parser. So what do we need here? What did they got going on? Program name, JS, subscriber for now. Hello's your world. Beans. Okay. Okay, here's where we actually add arguments. So we want parser equals option that takes a value. So it'd be like -C, and this is more of a flag. You'd think I would know this by now. Yeah, you work with so much crap, it just, you do it at the time, and not everything you learn sticks. Okay, so how do I want to do this? I want to say like JavaScript for, I want to make this JavaScript, or text for make this text, and then maybe -F. Maybe it should be positional, like parser dot add argument. Oops. Sure. JS file. Or a text file, right? And then we want to say either it's JS or if it's text. And what, store true? Or store equals true? Oh, action equals store true. Okay. Oh, I guess I just need to. Okay. Looking better. Okay. So we get parse args, right? I built this system. I also built a system where you could have like a config or like an ini file or whatever, an any file. You could pass that in as well. But it's been months, so I've been focused on other things. It's cheap. Cheap beer. Okay. So we're gonna want to return the parser here. That is fine. And then we need? We need start. Whatever. I struggle with naming stuff sometimes. We need to get the init parser, and then this could just be main. There we go. All over the place. I had a beer, so here we are. Okay, so we have the parser. We just need to grab the arguments from it, see what's what. So it returns parsers. Okay. Nice. Okay. If args dots JS file name, okay, equals args.js file name text. There we go. Text. Comma. If those are optional. Optional just because we passed that. Okay. We kind of need these to be not optional, though. Can we do that? Okay. Start JS. But they're not always going to have a text file, right? They're not always going to have a JS file. Okay, then. Okay, maybe optional on how do I want to do this? Because they've got to choose either a JS or text file and either convert the JS or convert the text option. Yeah, it's again spending a lot of time on. Too bad. Can we default those? Do they default to false? Let's see, huh? They default to false, then that's fine. They can pass one or the other. Maybe -f for file, and they pass in whatever the file is. Why am I overthinking this? There we go. They pass in a file name. And then I want to print that out. Okay. See what happens. Oh. Yeah. Nice. Ooh, we're altering this original file. Okay. Is it? I don't think this is it. Maybe? Yeah, right. I want to like pass by reference here or some. Oh, I'm writing to. Okay, that's the issue. Need to be writing to output.text. And let's do sure. Nice. But no, that should. So if we do like an if block here, like if true do something like that, should have two T's here. Yeah, okay, awesome. That's great. Okay. Now let's do the other way around. Convert text to JS. No need for snake case. So let's see. Kind of just need this stuff. And this is kind of overkill. get rid of 2 lines of code. Okay, I'm being a clown. But it does allow us to do this. Oh, and this returns. Okay, so we kind of just need to do the opposite here. Then, like so. And then okay, so we'll have a function writing to the file, and then we need to take in the contents as well as the file type. Oh, you know, on my work computer, I have like an automatic F string thing. I think it's in my linter or something. It's nice. Okay. This kind of stuff. So maybe we need to say like write text file. Then we could just keep these, okay, and just keep everything where it's at. Wasting time. It's okay though. I'm having fun. Okay, so I'll put .js. Oh, can't we just... No, because we're checking for that last line, huh? But I betcha we can just do this. Here. And again, flip those around because we know it's going to be in there. Which means we can ditch that. Okay. So we should be able to translate text back into a JS file. Oh, output.text. Should get an output.js. Ooh, quotations. Oh, we So something just simple and silly. I think we're adding quotations somewhere. Right? I remember doing that. But it's like, this quote's at the beginning of every line, so it's happening to every line. Because, right, they once had a quote that should replace placing that nonsense with. Okay, then what we're going to do is one more. Still doing it. Okay. Really? That's not replacing it? Why is it not replacing all of them? That's so silly. I don't want to copy it twice. That's probably not what I'm actually going to do, but what happens there? Nothing. Oh, bizarre. Oh. Well, then let's take the smart approach, right? That's how you do that. That's awesome. That's exactly what I need. All right. Well, I guess that's that, huh? I'm going to be a happy boy. Really only took like an hour to write this. Okay. 2 quotation marks. So slice it up. Okay, I think we're good here. All right, well, great. I think that's the first time anyone's seen me finish anything. So rad. Bye.